What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. We have the Lion Man, you see me I say. We have GX, you see we have Ivany, because Ivany did say something about the girl who get beat up on something. So right now she a come justify what she say and why she said. You see me, I make her hear that. Whilst we have other things and people, you know, say earlier now, morning light, so here I go on. Man, I go talk too much in that one, I do that one, quick, fast, and go now. And I could just get in it.
So I can put up my clothes. I need a cigarette. Yeah, more need to call me, cause we need some assistance from two of my people them over here. I have no luck with, they will have no luck with people still, you know. But I want to talk to need. I want to talk to two of my people them over here. Yeah, cause sometime in my life, me not get chance with people, you know. Sometimes I don't even sweat it. You know, for true, everybody see me on social media and just judge me for be this monstrous person. I mean, I really that. And then them always see and just judge you because of half of the person when them sit on the net. And at the end of the day, you have to understand, say, look here, you know, sometimes I'm out of here, people fuck with me. I'm not gonna be a walkover. I'm not gonna be a walkover in my life. Cause me have feelings. Why would I wanna get up every day and people walk all over me? Like I'm stupid or something. I got feelings. So them always use that and judge me. And people don't know you and just see and just judge you half of what them base, half of what them say. And in life people don't get chances because them think say you're the worst. But it's okay. So, you know. But I'm happy to see you guys. I'm missing too, but I got my problems. I wish not. I wish not to say it today. No, but we got some issues. But I'll be fine. But you too, boo boo. So my babies. So my boo boos. I'll get something for you. I'm hungry. Not even cook. So I gotta go. Chat more soon tomorrow. Love I love my people. More soon tomorrow, my babies.
Be good soon. Me also used to tell him in the comments say the girl them will beat her up. Then try beat me up already over photo. One of them try get the whole 5 fucking of them. One of them did that with one of my friend named Sabrina. You see one where did that with my friend named Sabrina, she actually beat the little girl. She had the main one who actually beat Kayla. She and her group they said they don't stab me over photo. But I never see when me used to over there give her. I never see when me used to over there in the comment section. But the one time, I know, I'm tell you something. It's sometimes is the people them to be blamed. Why the fuck you think you want to spam somebody chat? Me not like that. Me not go over on a blood clot right you. The only time when you tell me say right you come here when right you a big so me not go over there. When right you in a stress mode there, I'm texting him not look for me. When right you this stress and find out say my body man and he go live and stress out over there and me send much requests in a comments and read and ignore me. He normalize everybody else in a comment and he not see me. Hey, I always tell you to go suck out to no mama, you know. Me can't, and this is the same reason why. This is the same reason why me ask so the day me ask. Why every time when you know I beg and my life when you find for beg? How much other TikTok live when you go up and now go spam comments and moderator starting off today. Anybody come for my life say violence if it help nobody vote, block them, block. Let me go to the blood clot black button. Hold on. Watch this. And anybody come from my life I say add sometimes me no want add nobody. Block them. At 2020 blood clot 6 now. Every time somebody I beg on my life wanna find the sell pussy girl. Girl will sell her pussy and lose dignity. How the fuck me for take me sell pussy blood clot money gonna suck good girl? Or me for take my platform when me chat about cocky and fuck and go take it, go support people. Don't leave me alone. At the end of the day, me can't say anything more because I'm the haters I give me and my sensation I give me. People will like me, support me. So it doesn't really matter what you want to say. Cancel me, cancel your bottom, and that's if you cancel your big bottom hole. That is stink. You understand that? Thank you, babes. I'm gonna stop it. I say I wanna make people cuss and go. So once somebody come from my live and say, boy, if I need a girl is for idea, I'm say me not have time for that right now. Me soon come. You know?
Alright, so Ivany have to know this say the words of your mouth defile you. You see me I say? And the good way you do, you will use just one little moment and just 2 words or 1 or any amount and mash up everything. You see me I say you have to be careful what you say, even if you think it. If you don't have strong proof, say I say it go, do not say it. You see me? So that I'll go on with you know. And at the end of the day, my people, them people up on TikTok, them say them are clean, whatever them are clean, and them are make money certain way. So you go on. Me not expect nothing better from them because they may have the consequences to face. Nobody now go pull it from them and them stop get the amount of gift them what them used to get because them sure them gift. So I don't like them a come here, come beg and at the mercy of people. Them a try make it look that way there. But them actions are speak louder than them words. You understand? So let me know how you think me could watch some more.
Wait till me come. All 100 people are spam me chat. When 100 people come spam me chat, where you think I go happen? You think me gonna take talk and just come when it's if you come? 3 somebody come and me know you seen in the comments that 3 somebody comment already. Why 100 people need to come for a nice little peaceful space? Cause me never nobody place, you know. Me then I'm one a circle. I never share my life and tell you if you come watch me. I come to my people them. Why all of them need to come spam me at talk about? Notice. On a favorite them and this is just reality. On a favorite TikTokers. On a spam them and tell them say who want help and who want help. But the girl I mean think say you need to come ask me for no for my help. Remember you don't like me. Who no like who no shoulda got asked. Right or wrong. You see top rankers them wanna like, and the hot girl them and the top man them and girl them with dignity. And them the people they wanna for beg. Who no for member Ivany, cause member Ivany the OF. Member rent due. Remember rent due. Remember walk and fuck out in America, me done out. Remember me a border patrol. Remember say me have to go look somewhere for go every 3 months cause me can't keep up with my rent. Remember I be a cheap wig my money take and buy and the cheap clothes them. Why I want the cheap money? Why I want the fuck money? Everything that's bad from you. Why I want anything from? Why I want to use my bad platform? Why I want my fuck money? Me just not understand. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Because only we never see when Vanya help. Let me tell you something. When it comes to help, I'm here the number one. Me not ask how much me do that. Since recently me start tell people no. Every time a donation I keep and a man say Vany in the box. TikTok a friend them especially a Raja. When Raja the panel him live I beg and can't even get $20. When him check cash up on PayPal, a 3 bills that from Vany. Easy 1, 2, 3. $100 that from Vany. There's a lot of time people want donation. I'ma just go up there go give me look at 2 bills, me look at 3 bills, and me gone. There's a lot of time people come for me live. And me give what them have to give and me gone. During the Melissa stand, the amount of people me help. But oh, Vany do this and Vany never do that. Out of all TikTokers, I'm the only person used to take Sunday as a day off. Remember good now? Me used to take Sunday days off. I know me used to do on Sunday. Me make female boss and all of my people them come up in a one box. Our plan said today Sunday I have to help all people. I know what we do? We add all people them and listen to them story because you know some of them are lying. We listen to them story. I will say, alright, this so like we can get $100 for you. I will get each and everybody them $100, them $150, them $2, and then get their medication money, then grocery money. The single mother them get a look of food money and then look at this. Oh, and don't yet Pampers. Not once nobody ever join my life and I get the help. And then go about them. You know when me stop? Because I used to collect the money for them from PayPal. And me used to send the money go give them. And the people them out of the comments will send the money to me start report back the money from me. Some look at one look like they want to look at I say them have money. When they used to send the money, they used to report back the money. Or some of them, when they hear say they get that 150, the life still a go on, you know. Then can't wait until the life don't forget them money. Then I stop spam me or call me while me still the life I try to help other people. And I realize that them are people here, they don't have no farmer respect or they just crave. And I say me nah do it no more and I stop. There's been a lot of time I take up my own money and go while Marshalls and buy baby stuff. Me go Burlington, me go Walmart and buy baby stuff where I come up to almost $2,000 and put them in a little box. And call with the baby mother them and box them up and ship them off and then have to pay for shipping. But at that with Uno now go ever see the good what people do. But the one time somebody said they now do nothing. All because of Uno too. All because of Uno. Because we on a class me Uno supposed to come tell me so nobody want help. No, let's be real. Uno can't call mean for my name. Me no mean. Me they out bright now for my life. I one of my friend. Me see like one of my co-workers them in need and want a 2 bills. And if me have a 2 bills, me I give them. Because me always believe so when you help I go come back your way. Me no call for my name. Me their friend, me still take care of my friend them at Jamaica. If Donald Trump for send me home, me good at me yard. You wanna know why? Cause me never come a friend and run up on my friend them. Me never come braff and hype. Me no come and block them number. The whole of them still I get them look at 200 and 100 every other time when me have money. And my family them could tell me no, don't deny that cause thousands and millions them get out of me already. So I don't know what kind of blood clot picture and not paint for me. Just because I'm on TJ and I need for bomber clot telling, but that trigger me, you know. Me and a friend, we met the people them I come spam me chat about TJ say if you go live with Ma, you cannot fucking demand me. You can't demand me what to do. Oh no, if you know I say me up on my life good. Me never trouble him. Me no go on every boy the page, them me no see him. Me dey on my live, and the people them come on my live and say, TJ said to go live with Kaylan. And I say, how the fuck you gonna tell me that? And I saw me trip out. So, hey, don't come by me. Oh, don't come by me. Me help that little girl before, me go bless her up on live before. I'm gonna care what nobody wants to say. Maybe, me say this sound harsh, maybe. I'll have to listen back to what I said. Maybe, me say this sound harsh, yes. But me no want nobody, see people them say like, me no want nobody come over here, come and tell me phone, it's just amazing. Vote for me, what I mean you vote for me? TJ never said that. And then can't say I make you up because then did a spam me comment. Who the on the live will know and them come spam me. Go over right you. Me now go over there. Me in a competition for them. Nobody. Me know. Me at 2026 now. Me on the foolishness. Nobody can vote for me because me not a part of anything and I don't want to be a part of anything. I don't want nobody vote for me. I already know I'm the mother of the year. Who the fuck do it like me? I don't give a fuck what the fuckers want to say. In my head, I'm the prettiest girl in the world. I'm the sexiest girl in the world. I'm my best mother in the world, not only on TikTok. So you can't keep on the TikTok flibbity voting to yourself. You see my ring and my wife in real life. I saw me tell her motivate myself. So when I look at TikTok flip-flop could I stay. Right, you only call you when I do something. No, let's be real, guys. Let's be real. Right, you not really text me and say Ivany want me, you know. I didn't really send me request. I may ever send him request. Why do you when they find a big man a hole in head? And I do the things them. Me reach out to him and say, no, but I kill yourself, you know, go and hold your faith. He read my message and he not answer me. Alright, me not say nothing. Probably still in a look depression mode. I saw mistake. Probably still I go through where I go through. But me personally feel like the moment you can open a message, the same strength where you, I don't know if my pre-life different, but the same strength where you can take for open a message and sit and read it. You're supposed to have the same strength can reply. I saw me see it. Cause why click it for read?
Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comment section and make a watch some more with people.
Me I say but can't reply. So in my head now, me I say, alright then. Maybe he probably still stressed and I want text. Me see him go live. Me go upon him live. Me don't know which must say have 5,000 people. I never because that me send request. Me did want just tell him so go and hold the faith, He no accept me request. And me and four, like it come like me and four other people and ain't enough people sending requests. You know what I'm do? You see every other new people were sending requests and you add them and you not add me. Me take back my requests. Me realize that I interact with the people them in the comments because people are comment and I read it and I talk. About 5 times I comment just to see if me right you ignore and right you not pay me no mind. Me decide it's alright. I now go unfollow you kind of that deep for me, but me just now go ever request you back and me now go force up myself in you and never request him back at all. He go live multiple times after that, he never request me either. I say nothing. Why now you know have some type of TikTok voting you want me come for your life? For what reason? What reason? We will not use and pretend upon the. I'm tell you something. Money really is the root of all evil. A girl we know so she don't like another girl, but she knows say sitting on live with her gonna make her 2 way. She will sit on the life and make 2 way. And I like me when I take life serious. I don't take not one of them serious on the app. It never that deep for me, but I can tell you say it is 100% deep for them. They will kill you. And that's why I don't go around them and I don't mix with them. And me and them now buck up me dear. All if me go back on me yard and the biggest party them keep you now. Go sit not even with security you see me because me no local and common up myself. Notice when me there at Jamaica, you feel lucky if you see me 1 and 2 times. And when you see me downtown, I run. Me no walk, me run. Run me around like a thief. You feel lucky if it all catch me after 3, 1 and 2 times. Me not really go out. From ever since me a person who lock in, so me and them now go click. Cause you know see me if you catch me a hurt me, cause the fake pan it up. I don't only use people. Only use people. I can't even call none of them real, cause this moment then with you and like this a fake bitch I know. Mama rich she Kiki. Me tell you look a so good girl fake. Tell me you afraid, I bet I'm afraid. Count how much bad man you know by your hand. And then tell me how much of them you count. Tell me how much percentage of them still alive. Do your research and come back. Name every bad man you know in a real life. Name about 30 of them. And tell me how much percentage of them still alive right now. Or how much of them life in a danger man want to try off of them. Tell me if me wrong now, right? Me there now. Everybody knows that they look so good girl and they me look a bestie, you know. I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna argue with no fake page. Block. Bye. Everybody knows say a little girl I did my bestie, right? My phone I did. Alright. What day I should have live with Candy? Me never have nobody for play with. I me see them they live all long. Me not tell them me lucky they wait me turn. How long me need for blood clot take to play with a co-worker. Only supposed to free up. You cannot play with somebody at 3-4 hours. Other people that on the app want play match with people. Other people that on the match want on the live want play match with people. You know, like me depend on wait pan Candy and Kiki if you don't, so me could add Candy or add Kiki. They now left one another. So me send the people them go call them now, right? Me not see Sheens. Me had if you do me lash, you know, and me make a lash appointment for 11. Poor me not even didn't know say, but me lash text say she will do it for me today. Alright. So I say, alright, me I'll send them a request. Me tell the people them for tell Candy for add me. Candy you tell me for go suck up my mama. Me I look a clout him now come. Fine, we all know see I saw him still. So me decide to alright. Me I'll call Kiki then. Call Kiki. In take one whole long for come. Me say alright. Me tell her say me too real for them, you know. Me too real for them a people up on the app. When me call her, they look so good girl, she not come. She come when she feel for come. Fine. She come. Her energy off and she come, bro. Like, here, no. The match that's... Me said the match don't even start good yet. Oh, your hell, you know start match and put up points so quick. People wait till I get the first bonus or a second double and then. A match don't even start good. A girl start cuss about gifting. Anna tell me, say, me not go stay yourself, me not get nothing, you know. In my mind, me I say, you know, so that girl a fake though. Cause guess what? The only reason why Kiki never jump when she and Candy a play, cause one of the time Candy did a cuss her off over there. So you know, so when you cuss her, you troll, it bring in viewers. And the more viewers you get, the more little gift you go and get. Cause Candy a cuss and Candy a put up points. Your people them all want put up points cause Candy a talk to you some way. We all know how TikTok run. So you did a put up points over there. All you have to say, tell Ivany me soon come. Or tell Ivany say me a battle Candy. Straightforward, done. Kind of body a year, you your own big man. Just tell me say you not come cause you in a one smoke match and you in a plan for left. Or if you do one left because you don't want me feel away, just tell me say you play a match you soon come back. Fine, me understand. A girl come and a girl true, me not put up no pints as the match start. She start to say, and you me not get no pints yesterday, so me go away and me can't bother. When me she say no, me sit back and me don't.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section and make watch some more and then move on to the next.
Say something first and I say no, I not say nothing. I never say nothing first time. I did it. The first double come now. Say me that put up like 1,500. You never reach in 1,000 yet. And she was never reach even 500. Here no, me not go stay here say no. Me I go away no. Me I play if me not put up no points for the next double, me I go away. Can't stay right here so. I say come off of my blood clot like so good girl. Mommy Scrub, I haven't seen you in a while. How are you? You alright? Me say so good girl. Come from my blood clot live. You just look a bit of fake. If you never want to come, just say you never want to come. She come like them big top Life Pro people they way. You know when you play with the Life Pro them, and if you not have no smoke like a Sassy Santana them, if you not put up in your 30k and 40k, they don't want to play with your car. It's like you are gonna slow down then thing. It don't come like me playing with all Zozo them and all Ziggy them. It will slow down my process because they don't have no smoke in a certain time. So me unfollow her and me take her off of my page and me make sure go. Me not bring her on a 2026. You're mad for repeat it, blood clot self. Mommy Scrub, thank you. I throw me under the bus this now, you know. I throw me under the bus this now. You know all my pre-life now. My pre-life like this. You have to remember say when we don't keep court. Don't you never want you upon him live. Dummy never want you upon the live. I remember my bonafide friend them, they will me tick with Kiki, clock with them. And if me can jump off a match with them for come play a match with you, and then you throw me under the bus when you can't play, you're fake. Remember, you know? Remember they never want you upon the live. And I me keep on add you. And when them jump, I me stay with you. And say me I go over Kiki, go play with Kiki. And when time now, me and you have to play because me not have the smoke. You forgot to see how people are gift way. And every day I go have smoke. If I made that shoot for myself, might be. And every day people are go, today I make 100k, tomorrow I make 30k, diamonds. Next week, last week I make 3,000 US, today I make $300. Tomorrow I make 500, today might be $40. And I like, yeah, work job like them people that was certified in government jobs, say that the money they don't want get. So if me not smoke one day, I know my fault that people them pocket low. And then you have some look at dirty style when the people they not sending a gift, your classy people them. Let me tell you something. Before my class a girl or a boy for gift me turn off my live. And that's why none of them can diss me. Me never yet in a gifters worry yet. When me can't get me gift them, ask the people them what me do. Me will threaten them, so me will block them. And majority of the time, I don't even block them. Me just say it because I know they think me will block them. Enough time I say me I go block them and me look through, so I now block a soul. Why me I go block so much people? Me I lose viewers and me I lose my followers. Me not go block the people them. Sometimes if me say me not a smoker, me lose, me look at streaks and me get vexed, me a girl where we just end my life. Take a look at 1 minute and me come back. You'll never hear me a cuss about this and cuss about that. Majority of my gifters them were gone. I fuck them and fuck me off. I mean I fuck them because you can send me a 2 look at uni and fuck me. My pussy no come so. Notice that who me like me give my front. You understand what I say? Right. So me not like that the stylist so me take she away. I am talking a soon come. The next thing now, candy now, me da for black candy. Cause me understand, you see TikTok, me tell you something. You see this platform is a devil platform in a one way for true. Me and Candy we are play match. I've seen, me not listen what me I go say good. In having smoke, in always getting number 1, in number 2, in number 3. But I've seen multiple times pan some days in the live and him nah get gift, him always the same nah stay yes so. And every day and go live and get gift. And I can tell you this, majority of the time when him a play with me, I kind of cost me make him put up so much points. Me not ask me, I tell you, can't just smarty when me watch, kind of on TikTok like everybody else. Majority of the time when me and him a play, and him a put up 50k and 60k, I kind of class me. Classing me is very entertaining to people over Candy side. You know why? I know why? Because me have most haters over there. They don't like me over there. They eat me like pies over there. So when him a classmate, him a do something good for them. It's very entertaining to them. So them a poor gift so he can keep on class me. Now, if me realize say you're classing me on a trolling level, me not gonna make it be a problem. But when me realize say just out of the blue, so even for nothing at all, I know how to do it because you're coffee play enough that you never wants class coffee. You're on triple play, you never wants class triple. You're Maya them play never wants class them. So when me really rush back when me I scroll through TikTok, I'm actually I see recording when you other people are play. Me realize you actually know what you do. You know what you do. Because if I did troll you would have troll them too, though. And then we would understand say that's just candy. Me would understand now, say, wow, that's just candy. I just troll him a troll. Me not pay him no mind. But when me see him play with other people, and me realize, say, he never yet class them, but you go and class me. Oh, why? Because your people them hate me, so you give them some. Me block him too. You will never see me back on screen with candy. Me block you. Me tell you something. You have some people on the app, they will style you and they mean everything what they must say. But then them try to use mind game for say, I troll me a troll, so no pay that the mind. Because when they do that now, they want you to feel like say that's just them, that's just the trolling them. So even when they actually are this year, you don't even gonna really know if they really are this year a troll, because them put that picture there like a really troll. Jayden have that style too. I'm telling you something, I'm gonna block you all on one by one. Jayden have that style too. And you like to talk about people. And then she knows that the people them think say that's just Jayden. And me always say too, that's just Jayden. Jayden is just a person who mix up on drama. You use that majority of the time for hide the real facts, so you actually style me for true. Me now go with that in a 2026 with Uno. Mama block you. Me now go in a 2026 with that with Uno. Honestly. Uno not for use me, likewise me not for use Uno. Long time I have no fame, a long time me have mine. Me can never get cancelled. My fame and popularity can never get outdated. When me not get no views on TikTok, me sure about me 30,000 views if me go turn on my Twitter live now. Me sure about me thousands of views if me go over my Instagram. And me sure about me 1,000 over Twitch. And me sure about me 1,000 over YouTube. Me have multiple different platforms where me have me 100K them followers. Me govern. You know if you use me not take no look a funny move. I mean I walk and trouble people like that. It's like you see me used to live on Rose. The only reason why I do that because she used to do the same thing. And when she used to do that to people, Uno used to laugh and say 40 days and 40 nights. But when people turn around and do it to she, it's a problem. Oh, Rosa feed all of Uno. Oh, Uno I live on Rose name. Who Rose feed? Because Rose never send me money through Western Union yet. Rose never send her one of her gifters them come give me a lion yet. If people them will give me a still my sensation. So who Rose feed? Who she feed? Which one I want to say Rose come give me? Which one I want ever send money to me? So oh in a what way she feed? You now understand say TikTok is TikTok. Everybody have them own popularity. It's same people them with the
Alright, my people, you see on TikTok, if you're a person who do good, don't look back for good from people. It's when you do good in life, you know what, when you do good in general, when you do things in life, do not look back for the help or look back for the person who you give to share the same energy. No, just put out your good energy out there, and whichever way it comes. You see, don't bother put out good energy just to receive it. You know what I mean, from the person who you give that good energy there. It not gonna work and you're gonna get disappointed. You see me? So just put out your good energy out there, not specifying why you put it out there or give it to. Just put it out there because you know what I mean, the world need good energy. You see me? So upon a level with people with Candy and Ivany, if Ivany did just link with Candy because he like Candy style or whatever, and don't do it as no like transaction. Say me come over your life and give us a certain amount of respect. Me expect your loyalty. No, and that's how you go. People loyal over TikTok to money. You see me? So make watch some more.
Rose live every night. I see them people them come here. I go to them and watch me now. If Rose turn on her live, them run down over Rose because they know she go come talk some type of mix. So them go over there. If Jayden turn on him live, it's same set we run from me and run gone and Rosalie they run gone over Jayden. If Swissley turn on him live, it's same people them run from me and then run from Rose and then run from Jayden and them run gone over Swiss. It's a cycle. Nobody no own a blood clot body over. You're the only person who know one of the gift them, the bonafide gift of them. Me see all people who say Rose, will have up the Rose logo with 30,000 badge, still come give me till today. Me see people who have Akeem badge, we have all 40 level badge and 20 level badge. Me see them still give me same way. No, because rankers in a problem, gifters are going to eat the other ranker because them and the ranker they wouldn't depend them team is a problem. Oh no, understand TikTok, and this is why I'm telling you, say I don't take this place serious. Me do, I'm so me say I'm gone. Me the type of person, me give people what they want. If you say Ivany drink come, me will buy one clear something on Amazon and me rub it on my face and make it look like come. You wanna know why? Because me will gain views off fight. You know I go talk on nasty maybe and me forget cancel. And pretty you know say it no matter what you want to say about me, me just want the views because the more views on TikTok and the more money me make. The more views they can bring in on your page and your videos them and the more money me make off fight. Me monetize for everything there is on the app. If me I go fuck one man, I wanna say the man cocky small and he dead, you know what me gonna do? Me not gonna really fuck it, you know. Me more if I take out the dead would and suck it. And me gonna say me I suck something dead. Kawa, I go talk about it. If me I go take one dead would and me I feel ball like it a bun me on ball because it a go viral and I go talk about it. That is my job for always. Give you something for talk about. As that pay my rent, everybody have them own ways how they make money. So why when me do it, me I have to do it's a problem? No problem. No problem, you know. It's not no blood clot problem. Even the Americans them do it. Every day them come fake cuss. Look how much time you see Cutie and Sonny cuss and he shoot up our car. A man have money like that can buy back a car or buy back a sunglass. When they vex and he mash up our TV, he all of them tune in. The next day, him and her their dinner low key. I say things set. This is social media. You give people what they want because you got to earn from it. You might leave a bad impact by your name. Who give a fuck? I want life you live your blood clot life. My pre-life different, you know, bro. My pre-life. 7 brother, 7 different man. You might say me crazy, my pre-life different. It all we are got dead left dignity. It all we are got dead left ambition. It all we are got left art. We all we are got dead left for us. We care. The education where you have, where me not have, you are got dead left. The skills where me have and you not have, you are got dead left. The one man where you fuck from your 100 years old, you are got dead left him. Me I enjoy my life. If I feel like I want to skin out on OF because I want to try a thing, I go try a thing. If I feel like I want to go wash car, I go wash car. If I feel like I want to do this, I do that. Me young, me I enjoy my life. And nothing wrong with that. When your kids then get old, they probably do all worse than blood clot you. Me I go dead gone left ice. Ice I go do what I do what him I go do what him want to do. I get him pitney them, him dead gone, him pitney them come and do what them want to do. I want life me have, me live my life, and no, stop that. Me do what the fuck I want to do, when I want to do. It's so now way, when me used a little bit I grew up, me always say my job is for working at one go-go club. So now way, but that's true. Because you know why? Me always like, cause it's true me always got a club at a tender age. When me go club, me used to like to see how the girls them carry themselves. Me used to like how the girl them have on them inches wig and them have on them makeup. Me used to love see the girl them in them look a bar suit and them have them big body, them look sexy. Them have on them heels. Me used to like see that. Until me actually got try it and see where it come with. A man lick up on your body, you go like you want to reel up. You know get money. Y'all walk and go about your business and a man feel like say he need to grab your body. You don't need to grab my body. And every girl walk in a club want to sell pussy. Some man discuss you. I don't care if you look good. You're not supposed to see me walk and want to lick me on my body. Or you come and ask if I talk to you and when you look you grab my breast. Some things will go if I go through for make a look of money. That's why I could stay in the club life. I go and experience it. I cut out and I go about my business. Now, I used to take page. I say come with bullet. And me a ninja, me lucky thing say it never catch me right way. Me realize said that now go scam thing now go work for me. Much people scam and a millionaire, it now go work for me because I'm popular and I can't hide. As I go to somebody knows Ivany, easy killer. Me lego the lifestyle. Remember my name me have a name before evil thief in pages, bro. Oh no, me know my from high school days me have popularity. From me a younger pitney me popular. My sister used to be one of the best traditional dancer them from Rio to Negril and them hotel, all of them hotel them. My sister do dinky mini dance. My sister do dinky mini dance at hotel. She named Samantha. Who don't know her well Connecticut. Popular. When time she used to go at the hotel.
That's Jake, how you like it? You know, so that's nobody not like you.
Joke, what you have?
That's nobody don't like you, you know.
Oh, nobody like him. What about if like me? Nobody love me. The girl, she said.
That's Rose Robbie.
You are Rosalie the back for. Well, I said this, I said that. Go up them feelings and wait. I bring her around here. That the girl said, brother, what that have to do with me?
But not wrong. She wrong for your sister. She wrong for your sister.
Oh shit, bro, I be a man, I be a fat thing. I'm telling you, I want this shit. Be a man, I be a fat thing. Ask the people more than a dog. Oh, be a man, I be a fat thing. Go. I'm telling you, bro. So you go on, and next year you start fuck by Rosalie. Everybody tell you that. Go man. I'm telling you, be a man, I be a fat thing. I'm telling you, bro.
She wrong for sister.
My yo, the girl I be a man, she knows she not be for them can't fuck back anytime. The girl been there and done that and know that. The world know that. Ask every girl over there. Oh, be a father, be a man, I think go.
Okay,
but the way the girl say wrong for you, I bring her down, dog. Bro, you love Rosalie, dog. I want to tell you bad man. You love your be a man, bro. And the world know that's better. What you gonna do? What you gonna say? You can hide it, dog. I want to tell you bad man. The world love be a man, bad man. I want to tell you, dog. Look how you don't love your mother. How is this man? You may be a man do the Jake. I'm love my baby man, I should have different man, I'm love my baby mother.
No, watch this now. Watch this. You love her mouth, sir. You just love chatting.
What the fuck come here tell you, bro?
Chat. You we make your baby mother can have a peaceful life and move on with her life just so you claim say your name baby father and you have to get fucked. Now girl now can feel like say just your name baby mother. Them have no rights over nothing at all. You have rights over your youth them. You hear that? So now come talk about say we can't fuck anytime through your name, baby mother, baby father. No.
My people, this is my opinion on Jakes going back to Rosalie. That now it would have been a cold day in a hell. You see me I say that now got my people. Jakes now want back Rosalie. For love nor money. Me I tell you that. In done with Rosalie, big man thing. The man see all the grass green up on the other side and how much nice woman him can get and so me check say him a go tie down himself back with Rosalie and plus boy I mean even want to get too much in it but your people me feel like say him a go out there. Big man thing. Make what some more.
That can't happen. Can't. Because when I go mash up my life, sick of your social come talk about I'm a baby mother. You're a waste man. You're a punk.
Yeah, we are right. You don't know?
Then if you go look at Bumbuckler to man and allow the woman with fear about Bumbuckler life.
You don't talk now, bro. Cause more you ask, don't ask me.
Don't
ask me, Jake. Don't ask me. Majority rules. Ask the girl when you chat. Oh, babe father, babe man, I think go dog. Nobody them too quiet, nobody them too busy about that dog. And that more to the Jake, that dumb figure for you, Jake.
People no business, only have so much things to say.
I know for say, only give the media for say, Jake.
Say what?
Only give the media for say, bro.
Only give the media for say what?
Talk about you and Rosalie.
So we have a fuck back?
Yo!
Fucking idiot. And
No,
that's
yo,
what I
yo.
talk about fuck back.
Yeah, Rosalie, baby father.
Argument. You talk about
You
fuck
are
back.
Rosalie, baby father.
That's what you
are
hope for.
altering to everybody.
Oi, labamouth. That's what I want to hope for. That's what I want to pray for. Something can't happen. So we not pray for it not happen. So now live delusion now, brother. Same like Rosalie.
We do looking at people have a free speech it been happening for years. Before me and you born.
What?
Babe mother and babe father thing are different.
They never left.
Oh, God.
They never left. They're gonna make it look. They're gonna make the public seems like them left. When them been hide and for the first and them fight. From the first night them fight as them left, then go fuck by the same night and still hide it.
Yo, me not see where Rosalie do you for you now.
Where you mean by? Where you just say a while ago?
Me not see where Rosalie do you for
Brother, yeah man. Yo, yeah man.
Rosalie. Cause you know why?
Yeah man.
A mouth say when you hear about that,
yeah man.
And what I know that thing about. By the way, a woman pan all that. For you not jump off, shall I say this and say that. No say you. Me no say. Me no say. You love Rosalie and you can't change that. You never call her Rosalie, you know why? Because you love her. You call her Junie.
Once again, you're a big waist man, big man thing, you're a punk. Never know so I say you're soft, you try. Soft man, you're porridge.
Yeah? And it is.
Music is soft, brother. Say things, say tough. You can see this blouse and skirt woman here. Disrespect me some kind of way where if I listen, just knock at me here, son. Big man thing. I know no fun I pray for it and I not wish for it, but it just not go care me. Nah, care me. But no, we're not praying now. We're not praying, say. I'm a youth, them mad. I'm not everything we're not praying. 12 years and ray. But listen now. That eliminating was about 2 weeks ago. All of them someday were not at the whole 12 year eliminating at 2 blood clot weeks. 12 year cut out in a 2 weeks. Adore, they bring down, of course, they bring down very far.
My people, only hear the one say the whole how much years him and Rosalie spent together get erased just under a month. Can you believe that? I don't feel like say a long time in did one let him just find a way, you know. You see me? At least I know him left a she kick him out still, so we can't say that. Let me know what I think the people make watch some more.
You cannot come talk about deeper shit up argument and deeper batty argument. I'm still so just no man. I tell you, Jakes, you know. Turn away, don't work your walk, cause big by right, you know, I know about Uni, you know. If you're not Jamaican, you know the right thing. People swallow teach for them something there, you know. You know? Foot block, hand block and all them bum buckler thing there, you know, brother. I'm a wallet as a G. You understand? So you can't tell me to go back in a way at the end of the day. Can't do that. You understand? I may say my own sentence. But I be a fool like Ziggy. Black butterfly though. Black butterfly, what next gift? No man. Black butterfly, you have a sitting a blow. The blow, I'm not the blow. Yeah, the blow.
Weed tree. Come on, have a read. See? Price, I'm not sure what price.
But she go over the extra mile with the disrespecting. And we wanna call it. And now some name feed now, we call it rub out. And they bring down. And Natalia, good night, baby girl. Good night, baby. Yeah, so she got extra mile with the rub out. Bring down, and all the name they want to call them. You understand? When I have a next name, I want to call the next one, must say the crash out part. When she is crashing out, she disrespect again, she not, you know? So, you know, you see it? No. And none hear me come out, come say.
Just the price, same price.
And nobody not hear me a call her, no names. Nobody not hear me a call her. No farmer names. You understand? Now try to get too disrespectful with her either. You know more than me just know, so watch this now. The more you do, and the more me just know, say, you go your ways and me go my ways. That's it. Yeah, dog. And don't feel like sick. I'm not grow like punk, you know. You get good school and everything. And chase me there, start reasoning more while and people that under me that Jake's a waste man, Jake's a under you. I never talk to. I come talk about my under, sit down and I rose for 12 years. My life here, she says so. Because I always screen record and people are talking. Virtual TV, I call me, but virtual TV. You know Yawa. You don't know, you know Yawa. Virtual TV, you pass batty boy. You hear that? Come talk about sit down and which 12 you hear that? In by sit down for which 12 years. We don't like to ask. We don't like to hear your friend where you are different so much. Say that. But sit down for 12 years. And Rosalie just started to TikTok for blood clot 2 years. Big batty boy virtual.
What man I do?
This could shit up pussy hole ya. Brother, for anybody look by them see batty pa you. And see worse, y'all try obeism. Every obey man a batty boy. Me can't tell you that. Every obey man a batty man. Everyone I know.
Baby man, naked. That's man.
Pussy.
Cold one too.
Yeah, go boy and make video. You know what you want me? You know what I want me about him? Look at shit up boy. Do you feel like say? All of them. You remember RT coming in 3, 2, 1. RT in a big batty man too. The man not I feel batty is him. Virtual go like him and straight, but Virtual a big batty boy. You feel like say? Shit up, hey boy come talk about GX. I have batty man. Hey boy go hey boy na rampant man na pussy. The whole on the shit up. You feel like say? RT him. Well, look at piece of table and him always. I try not even want to get dark, you know. Cause we don't feel like someone know. We know. Cause we stay on the outskirts and get the whole on the file. But we never get for your file virtual. Cause when we see you, we see batty for you, we see shit for you. You come past the place with man like say you know from nowhere. Big shit up virtual. But yeah. But father bomb. Father bomb.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. As I said, I don't talk too much in that one, yeah. So I'm going to share the video, then we'll do no quick and fast. So, now watch some more of that one, yeah, and then we'll get in at the next.
I say this is stinking blood clot, batty shit up. Father bomb. It sound like a big stinking girl in there, brother. I'm mad them there. Moderator them there. Fix the chat. Mads, fix the chat. There's anybody will talk about love virtual, a batty boy. When you come over here as a man, I come talk about leave virtual, you're a batty man too. Pong, what you feel like say? Never afraid, brother. Can't afraid neither. Can't afraid. You never ask your friend. But yeah, defend. Big shit up pussy. Never afraid. Oh, she's so calm, man. What is this?
But no, true me say no, it's a problem. Hey, go on now. Put my blood clot face and put me. So I'm gonna look pound over here, you know. Look pound. And it's supposed to be the last person. You know, anymore dirty. You know, anymore dirty. You know, anymore come like when you put crab in a bucket and I wash them off. Like when you got crab feel. And when I talk about the crab them in the ocean, we are talk about the crab them pan land with mud pan them. And your whole face character and mouth look like when you put mud crab in a bucket and a scour it off. Come suck me girl. You can't talk. But me the last person you talk about in a bitch. Oh. Go worry about the people them capture land where you not stop capture. I look like you work with HOA or something. Make you get all people who have hard working job. People who have all them good bank statement can get a house. And every day you get qualified for the people them capture land. Hey girl, come suck me. And if you talk to her, call Andrew for come inspect the house them where you so-called you get. Tell the people them the truth, say I send the car for go run taxi. And police take it off of the road, you come tell about Mika and her man drive out car. And police tell if you come for car, you don't want to go for car. You guilty motherfucker. Send the blood clot car if you go run taxi without blood clot insurance. And while them run taxi, then get catch. Then girl will buy car we don't even have a license plate could have come argue with me. Friend you buy fake car till now you don't even have a license plate, you don't even insure. How many you want to talk to? Me say water and you put in the tank as gas. That's why the car not start broke down pan her. I be a water she fill the car with instead of gas. Then you have sense, girl. I go on my business, your woman. Come in and see you. People like when I'm afraid. I'm afraid that any of them can't hear me. See, I saw me did talk about Rosalie one time. And I take up my argument on her head, you know. I take up my argument on her head. You can't leave Rosalie now. You can't leave Rosalie now. And I live for see you see one come run a class her. No, me and Smaddy na something you take it up on your head and then you call. That's why I'm glad to call you co-workers and not friends. Cause when you switch up. If you switch up for free, imagine if somebody did pay on you, blood clot. If you can switch up for free, imagine if somebody did actually pay on you. Majority of you would be a dead motherfucker. Oh man, they may have fuck tonight, you know. Coming in last night I chill and ramping and go sleep tonight now past. Come in I say, alright. I haven't seen you in a long while, I'm just gonna chill. Tonight now I escape a blood clot. So let me see. Guys, when I see you hang up the phone and go about my business. I don't even know when I not care about me now. I don't even ask when I did go or what make me end my life. I don't even ask me nothing. I can't even spread bed to save her life. When you like that sheet, you can normally when that tell me so you like me sheet, you like that one yeah. But no, you know me reading up like a book. Normally that's a fan me like when you like that one yeah, man. I'll show you when I'm done. Now
Shorty. Because Shorty are a real girl. You see, I end the day now. If Brittany are a real girl from day one, you don't hold out and know, say, alright then, I go and hold it to the wrangler. As much as me and the wrangler kick off, that is our everyday thing.
You
that is
don't
a
want
regular
to
day
eat
thing.
pussy. Who
My
doesn't
girl
want to eat
nice.
pussy?
Careless girl tapping nice. Drunker tapping nice. You want mockers. Tapping nice, man. Tapping nice. Me don't know what me can go along a back road, go skin out and put one price on your pussy. Eat what kind of pussy that? Pussy when make for blood clot eat. Crosses. Pussy when they on menu. Or me can go skin out your pussy back way and make yanking your mouth that. Eh?
But this girl said that's how you ate her pussy. You skin it out back way and eat her out. That's what she said.
Who?
A girl.
Which girl that?
On here, on TikTok.
One girl on TikTok say me eat them pussy.
Yeah.
And that a girl that can come near my balls. Crosses girl. You and that a girl where say me name her pussy can come near my balls. Me I tell you that. It come like your NC I get to your head. It come like your blood clot and it Brittany don't make me tear it down. Brittany member say over here say you file it, Brittany. Member say you file it over here so. So when you talk about name pussy and all of them things, be careful how you talk. Member say you left your life over here, so you see your life there. Remember, you know in yourself say you left your life in this phone. So I end that day, I have to kill up. Right now, I can just lay down in my bed tonight and just I watch video, I skip through video, I watch peer video, any kind of video I want to watch. So what you try to tell me say, Mama, be careful how you can go on like you want to talk. You cannot disrespect me. I want wrangler. You're just too fucking weak. You're too weak for your little girl. You know, no chill up here, so. No chilling I have. What do you, man? What do you, man? My side, raise the charge on my side. Raise the charge. Raise the charge when me always have a talk. Raise the charge when me always have a talk. Come on, come talk about girl, I come talk about this. Which blood
And
clot
I
girl?
don't want to talk, guys, over here, so. Raise the
Me I
charge
know
so we
blood
can
clot
always
girl.
have a
Me I
talk.
know
And me
girl
have
no
nothing
world
to talk,
no.
say, you know.
No, none of them argument.
Raise the
They are
charge
none of
when me have a
them
talk,
link up
chat.
there. My side, raise
Let
the
me have a
charge.
talk, chat.
My girl, lock your mouth. Lock your mouth because you want to kill this girl. And that costs everything. And that costs everything. It is a show you me that say I want mockers. Because you couldn't hold it. True, you can't hold it. You see right now? You see what I'm going to say, I'm not going to bother say it. But you let down the family. You let down the family. You're no good. You're
You
no
never
fucking
wanted me
good.
to post your family,
My girl,
so
tap your
that's...
blood clot knives. Tap your ass clot knives till you get scored. Tap your ass clot knives till you get scored. When you have score, you can talk. I know I'm going to believe the people, them.
Yeah. About what? So why don't you come see me?
Shelly, thank you. One more roll. One more roll. Somebody else in a row.
Huh? Why don't you come see me? We're not saying anything.
Jack, Baba, thank you. Shoot on the time.